Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Explanation Process. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Today we are going to discuss how to flash the Bruce firmware directly to your M5Stack StickC Plus 2. First, let's grab your USB-C cable, connect the M5Stack StickC Plus 2 to your computer and open your web browser. Now navigate to your Bruce web flasher, go to the install tab and press connect. Instantly, a pop-up will appear asking you to select the port. Pick your COM port and click connect. If it doesn't load instantly, here is a quick trick. Go over to the boards tab. Here it is on the right side. And then come right back to the install tab. Now you will able to see the flashing options. See the latest firmware M5Stack and then StickC Plus 2. So then connect the device. Now select the port and click connect. It will start connecting. Now install the M5Stack StickC Plus 2. Tick mark the erase device and next. Click next and install. So it will start preparing for the installation. Now just wait a bit. It will completely erase the board first and then it will flash the Bruce firmware to your StickC Plus 2. This usually take a few minutes. So let it do its thing. I am fast forwarding the video because please wait with patience because it usually takes minutes to flash the firmware. And it almost flashed. And there we go. You can see it's successfully flashed. We can now start check out the features right on your M5Stack. I'll be explaining each and every feature in detail in future videos. I'm also going to try out all the attachments to show you how they work, including IR, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, nRF24, CC1101 and NFC. So stay tuned for those. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Thank you.